Charles.
Hey, Lanisha.
What are you doing?
She's her friend. Come on.
Thank you for holding my arm.
You're welcome.
No, I was so like weirded out.
Y'all look.
No way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Charles.
Oh my god.
Did y'all see it?
Oh my goodness. I'm like,
Hey, Lanisha.
Catch me, Charles.
Let me tell you something. We see Lisa talking to Charles in the hallway. Yeah.
they're not just friends. Like,
No.
I don't
Like,
think so.
It was
Check
it
friends.
more than
Trust
that.
us. Trust
Should I go? You go check.
Come
Just
look.
come
Okay,
look.
yeah, just go look for yourself. They're just friends.
They're not. I don't think so.
He's cheated on his life.
No!
What did he say?
Beat that bitch ass.
Beat it! Beat it!
Get off me! Hey! Look up!
Lanisha, Mary, and Charles, please come to the office.
I didn't even do that.
Lanisha and Mary, why were y'all fighting?
Because she was texting my man.
That's not why you hurt people. You don't do that. I'm gonna have to have Mr. J, and he's gonna have you called into the office.
Don't be mad because I'm better than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Stop.
Obviously,
Stop.
if he was texting me.
No. Shut up.
Stop yelling at each other in the office. Cut.
Dina, you should scoot down to that one. Yeah.
I can't reach it. Me either.
2, 1.
I can't spin it. Spin it.
Oh my God. Now I.
Let's do the blue thing. Hold on, hold on.